Okay guys, next up is my coveted bird collection. All right. I saved all these birds and I was going to use them on altered projects, and now I'm not going to do altered projects. Here's actually a set of wings. If you wanted to, you could just use this side, but this side has like feathers, glittered feathers on it. There are a set of 3 of those. There's this peacock one. There's this one and that one and this one. Oh, that would look good on the Christmas thing. Oh, I love this one. Look at this one. That must be a hummingbird. We've got this one. This one. Look at this tail. Woo! These 2 little lovebirds. These 2 are wedding birds. Susie's got a top hat on and she's got a veil. Look at this one. Look, this one was $6.99. We got a cockatoo. We got this one. Oh, like a farmhouse looking bird. This one. Got another. Oh, that one fell on the ground. We've got this fancy bird. $7. Here's another one. And we've got these 3 burlap birds. We got 2 more of these guys. Oh, here's another burlap. So we got 2 brown burlaps and 2 pink burlaps. And we've got this one. This one. 3 little purple ones. A nest. And I may have a few other little ones floating around that when I find them, I will throw them in with this lot. So, okay, now to decide what the birds are worth. The birds. I'm going to say, birds. Oh, my coveted bird collection. I'm so sad. Okay. Birds. I'm going to say, oh. Okay, I'm keeping you guys in suspense. 35 plus $12 shipping. Goodbye, birds. All right. US only, PayPal only. Comment in the description box that you're going to email. Then email me with the title of the video. In the body of the email, put your PayPal email address. I will invoice you. Please pay within 15 minutes. Thanks for watching.